Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this. Once perfectly roasted, the beans are cracked and winnowed. These cocoa nibs form the very base of all our chocolate.
I'm initiating the next roasting cycle now. The temperature is holding steady. We are good to proceed.
Every batch is refined for hours to achieve perfect smoothness.
And that's how chocolate is produced. Vivrita said, Orishi, from start to finish.